copy. You heard 277. Someone said they were fireworks.
5-5 felony, stop, Primera Portal.
Copy, felony, stop at Primera Portal.
There's a dog in the car.
Jam 34, copy.
Dog in the car.
Stay for temporary.
Yep. Say it again?
You got lethal on the car?
Yeah, I got it.
I'm gonna grab my gun. King 5, can you copy a plate? Hey, when you guys come up on me, Katati, come up on me. I'm gonna call him out and bring him up with us, alright?
Okay.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, slowly open the door. Walk towards me, alright? We'll get to that, but what I need you to do right now is listen to what I'm saying, alright? You need to get out, or you're gonna get bit by the dog. I will explain that to you once you're out of the car. Right now is not the time for this discussion, okay? Right now you're being detained. I need you to step out of the vehicle and walk towards us, all right? For a carjacking, step out of the vehicle with your hands up. Step out of the vehicle with your hands up. We'll get the 40 started our way. Listen, man, you're making this a lot more difficult than it needs to be, all right? Your options right now are to get out of the vehicle and cooperate, and we can explain what's going on, or we stay like this, and we're going to have to continue to escalate to get you out of that vehicle. All right? Listen, man, listen. What's your name? This scenario that we're in right now is not the time to have this discussion. Do you understand me? Okay? Get out of the vehicle, head towards us, and we can talk. Right now, I'm trying to get you in the safe position to have a conversation. All right? I understand. I got a dog right here. So step on out so we can talk. You're being detained. You are being detained. No, it means you're being detained. Step on out and walk towards me. Well, if you'd like to be under arrest for delaying and resisting, yes, you are under arrest. Step out of the vehicle. My investigation for the carjacking. Keep your hands up. Close the door so I can keep your dog in there. Hey! That's fine, it's a Frenchie. It's a Frenchie. Keep your hands up, walk towards us slowly. Keep coming. This way. To your right. Keep coming. Drop to your right. Drop to your right. Crawl towards us. Crawl towards us. Crawl towards us right now. Get on the ground. Crawl towards us. Crawl towards us. I'm not going to tell you to get on your hand. Still. Good boy. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. On me. Stop fighting the dog. Get on your back. Plus. Get on the dog. Get
on your stomach.
Plus. Get on your stomach. Get your hands behind your back. Get your hands behind your back.
What crime have I committed? What crime have I committed? What crime have I committed? You're taking my rights away. I have done nothing wrong. I have not committed any crime. I am a Marine Corps veteran, and I have committed no crime. Why are you doing this? Can someone speak to me?
Just relax, man. They will explain to you what's going on. They told you what they're doing.
Why did they let the dog attack me?
Because you're not following commands.
Hey, you guys
I was not a threat to anyone. I had my hands in the air. You have to tell me
He'll explain to
why
you. Just relax.
you are treating me this way. The dog just tore my bicep out. You know how you're going to be sued. You're going to be sued. Big time. You know that, right?
All right, roll over on your stuff.
You know you're going to be sued, right?
Yeah, I got some.
Right? That hurts.
Yep.
Ah!
Stand up. Just stand up. Help you out. This right leg again. Bend this right leg.
Ow!
Okay,
Why are you doing this?
We'll just sit there.
Why are you doing this?
Hey, man.
What crime have I committed?
Right now, resisting arrest, okay?
I'm not resisting any. I followed all of your orders.
That's fine, man. I told
I
you.
followed all of your orders.
Listen.
I got on my knees.
All you
I had my hands in the air.
All you had to do is get out and talk to us, okay?
And I did.
Gloves on. Do you need me to take over?
And I did.
You're good. Are you able to
Why?
get up? Or you
How
want
did
to
I get here?
Get you up, boss.
How did I get here?
Hey, where's your bite at, buddy?
Because I came on my own free will.
We'll make
Why
sure.
are...
Yeah, I'm gonna grab on your forearm to help
I
you
was
up, all
fully
right?
cooperative, and you let your dog attack me.
Can you stand up for me? Can you stand up? Let's get you up.
I want...
I'm going to come check you out.
How am I supposed to stand up?
We're going to help
Tuck
you,
your leg in.
Let's go over this way, boss. Hey, Joel. Ambulance.
Hey, just keep breathing, all right?
Can I get you over the ambulance?
There's no reason for you guys to do this to me.
Sir, we asked you to cooperate,
And I did.
unfortunately, it escalated,
Fortunately,
all right?
I did cooperate.
Do you have ID on him or no?
Unfortunately,
No.
cooperating
Do you have any
was the
ID on you,
wrong
sir?
thing.
Sir, do you have any ID on you?
My ID is in my car.
Can we get you over the ambulance so we can get you checked out?